I think you have seen the video of some Sokoto communities that have been pushed into exile. This is not the first video that is circulating on the Nigerian internet space. This one happened also today. And look at the way people are just, running away from their own community because of the terrorists who actually want to turn Nigeria into a terror stronghold. So in this video, I actually want to address something that has been bothering me. If you are from the South, no matter the party you belong to, APC, PDP, Labour Party, Abga, whether you're a political person or not, you're a business person or not, you are this, you are that, it is time for everybody to start rethinking. Yes, the reason why this video I'm just talking about Southern Nigeria is because despite I know that the people of the Northern Nigeria, I mean the victims that are there, they are just a mere victims. The people who are leading them are the ones who are doing all these things against them. And look at what they have inflicted to their people. So since the leaders are perpetrating all this art against their own people, I don't think this video is necessary for them. But for people who are in the southern Nigeria, it is time for us to start changing our mentality. Start putting your people first. Either you are in APC, PDP, you are this, you are that, you are a Christian, you are atheist, no matter whom you are from the south. Especially the middle belt, the so-called south of Nigeria, southeast, the southwest at this moment is in contest. Okay, it's in contest between these people who are next in Nigeria and Yoruba people. So they are already dragging it. It's on the balance. They are weighing it. They are checking who owns here, who owns here. That is what is actually happening. But for people who are in the middle belt, they have been experiencing a lot of heat, but they are resisting. Look at Plateau State, Benue State, Taraba State, all these places. Part of Kogi State, Southern Kaduna, down to Enugu, down to Edo Delta, down. So, no matter whom you are, I want you to start thinking about your people because you are going to regret it if you did not do. If you're in the politics, just don't do it because you want to benefit money, because there is a phase we are going to. There is a new phase we're about to enter in Nigeria. And in that new phase, the only people who can save you are your people. It is time for you to go back to your place. Like, try to be at peace with your people. Try to make your people feel that you are there for them. Okay? It is time for you not to betray your people any longer. I know that for political reasons, political alignment, and so on and so forth, a lot of people have worked against their own people. A lot of people have betrayed their own people. A lot of people have embezzled money that you are supposed to use for hospital, for road, for this, for that. Like, you are doing it because you want to own the power. You want to be the strongest person from that particular region or not. All these things, let it be bygone. From now onwards, if I were you political actor, you politician, you senator, you House of Rep member, a governor, I want you to now think twice. Because the game that is about to be unfolding in Nigeria, it is going to be a game where people will not hide it that they are the ones sponsoring terrorism. People will not hide it that they are Boko Haram any longer. People will not hide it that they want full Sharia in Nigeria. People will no longer hide it. Why growing up before, if I see someone who come out to say, yes, I am a jihadist, like, people will just look for the person and stone the person. If I see people who were calling themselves jihadists, it's like a crime against humanity. Like, people will start going after them to just hide them, kill them. Because jihadists, they know what it means. Killing people unprovoked, people who don't believe what you believe for the expansion of Islam, right? But here we are in this 2026. Asari Dokubo was boasting that, yes, I am trained to kill. I am a jihadist. You know why he's saying that? The ground has been prepared in Nigeria. The ground has been prepared in Nigeria. Asari Dokubo could not make this statement in 2020. If he had made the statement in 2020, they would go after him. But the ground has been prepared today. And that is why someone like Gumi could come out and he can come out to say that, I visit the terrorists. Nigerian government knows their location. Nigerian government knows where they are. They knows their name. Like, after saying that, what else? He is free. He is what? Free. Like, he can't, nobody can question him. The government will not question him. Why? Because the ground has been prepared for total conquer of Nigeria. The ground has been prepared for the total conquer of Nigeria. And that is why I am trying to put out this video that if you are from the southern Nigeria, don't betray your people as a politician. It is time for people to work together right now. Thank God that people in the political offices, they are waking up to this occasion. At least I used to speak with so many of them, top politicians that I can't come out here to be calling names for you. I do speak with most of them. They are awake already to the reality on ground. They know what is happening. So I coming out to say this is because I am now beginning to know that these people, yes, they are waking up. What they said it was a lie today is now true in their face, because you can't hide the reality. Like, it will be happening to you. The evidence will be itching you that no, this is true. Before they called it propaganda, but today they say, oh, this thing is true. But the question is, since you know that this thing is true, what are you going to do? Just be sitting there in Abuja in the red chamber doing what? And that is why I'm addressing, most of them. Listen, it is time for you to gather around your people. Talk about their security. Talk about their protection. The phase of unprovoked attack that these people want to push, what you have been seeing before is a child's play. Don't allow it to come first before you will start gathering people, spending money for protection and so on and so forth. So it is better you start preparing and your people will not trust you if you did not start going back homes now to make peace with your people. And to the masses, if you see someone who is now trying to come close to you, not because of political reasons, so I know what I'm talking about, because at least I spoke with some persons. They are understanding the game that is unfolding in Nigeria, and they actually want to go back to their roots and talk to the people. This is a time of unity. Like, this is a time to speak in one language. Today, I was still going through the website of the Christian Association of Nigeria. You know why I, go back to the website? I actually want to read again their mission and their vision. And the first thing there, they put out there is that a unifying voice for Christians and to defend their faith. I said, but this is the primary responsibility that they are failing every day. Like, this is the time for people of different values to have a unifying voice. Yeah, you must have a unifying voice so that people can easily resist, attack, and demonstrate against all these things that is coming. Forget about this thing that is happening in Sokoto. Governor of Bauchi, Bala Mohammed, went to Tinubu to tell Tinubu that over 10,000 terrorists came to Bauchi State. The question people are not asking again is, where are the terrorists today? Naturalized people, they have naturalized them into the society. Like, this place is just like a terrorist country. A terrorist country. Verified. These people are not being pushed back. No resistance. Just imagine if Nigeria is like a country that's supposed to uplift people, or a country that have the prosperity of the people in it, all these places, it's supposed to have declared national emergency in all these states. Complete national emergency. Deploy air force, create a safe zone, remove everybody to that safe zone, and let the war start. According to Mike Arnold, I've never seen anyone that can stop the radical Islamic terrorist on basis of either peace talk or let's look for a way to stop it without a military intervention. You can't do that. You can't win it. You must overpower the thing. And after overpowering it, it shouldn't stop there, because this is an ideology. You can't win it totally with gun. After overpowering them, what next? You've got to confine them to their own territorial integrity. If not, you're wasting your time. Anyway, it is what it is. I think you understand my concept. It is time to make peace with your people. It is time to gather, because there is power in unity. There is power in, in unifying voice. You people have to unify your voice. Do everything that you could do. If not, wait for it.
To ga mutanen bargaja nan dai a halin yanzu suna watsa suna barin gari saboda masiwa ta ishe su, kullum sai banda sun shigo garin sun kashe mutane. Sun yi iyakacin kokarin su, yau abu ya kai inda ya kai. gargaja an cimma lokaci da za ta wacewa ga mutanen gargaja nan wasu ƙasa wasu bisa mota ana barin gari saboda al'amari ya riga ya ɓaci kullum sai banda sun shigo sun kashe mutane kullum kashewa aka yi yau ma an shigo ƙarfe 1:30 na dare an kashe mutane muna cikin wani hali gaba ɗaya gwamnati ba ta da umarni tun da haka suka so mu musu garin za mu wace mu barayi garin su zanna da su tun da su sun kai shaidan ubangiji Allah shi kawo mana ɗauki yau an cimma ƙarshe bagaja za ta wace kenan Allah kawo mana ɗauki